Okay, so this is the Tesla Model 3 and we're about to change the inside cabin filter. But before I do, I want to talk about the Hepa filter now available in the Tesla Model Y built after July of 2020 or mid-July of 2020. And in the Model 3, we were hoping that the Hepa filter will make it to the refresh, but unfortunately it didn't. And what we learned from Tesla is that the Tesla Model 3 is just that much smaller than the Model Y that you just can't install a HEPA filtration. So there's no biodefense mode. In the Model Y, you have the HEPA filter underneath this cover. In the 3, even with the refresh, it's just an inlet where air flows through inside the cabin and where you have a cabin filter right underneath the display on the right side next to the passenger footwell. And in order to get some sort of HEPA filtration, we found this filter from Test. And this was made specifically for Tesla Model 3 HEPA cabin air filter. This will also fit in the Model Y is my understanding. So you have a Model Y without the HEPA filter, without the biodefense mode, you can get cleaner air with this filtration. So I'll post a link where you can find this in the description, but essentially it's just the same filter that you would purchase from Tesla. And if you have Tesla install it, it's about $150. If you purchase this yourself and install it yourself, you're looking about $30 at most. So a fraction of the cost. And I highly recommend doing this yourself. I do have experience changing out this Model 3 filter a couple times in the past. It is slightly tedious at first, but once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't take more than maybe 15 minutes or so. And we'll show you how to install this following this video. I also want to mention that Test does sell other accessory. This is a storage organizer box. It's a hidden compartment where you actually store this in your armrest. So your armrest actually has this big groove on the top, which is a waste of space. And we'll test this out. We'll install this and see what you can actually hide in here. So if you take out the sticker, it looks flush with the armrest. And then these adhesive will actually hold it in. I believe these are adhesive, yeah. So to open it, you just press on this. It's magnetized. And then it closes just like that. So you can hide stuff in here like your wallet, credit cards, money, cigarettes, and things like that. Okay.